Hey, how you doing? Pat here. I'm starting a new series called Ohio's Windy 9. It's a series of roads, 9 obviously, centered on Athens, Ohio. And they're all approximately 100 miles in length, all paved, any bike friendly. I have not come up with a single one of these routes, so don't be fooled. They're all done, I would assume, by the Athens County Board of Tourism. They're all centered out of Athens, Ohio. Down in the first comment, I will pin a link to their website with their GPX files in case you want to check them all out. I will also have the GPX files the way I wrote it. So any detours I take, anything I stop and see, places I go, you'll get to see that GPX file too if you'd like. So if that sounds interesting to you, stick around, stay tuned, and I'll be back after this. Okay, here we are getting ready to make the left turn onto the triple nickel 555. All right, I thought I'd fill you in just a little bit here. We are going from north to south. This pretty much starts at the south side of Zanesville, Ohio. And for the first several miles, it's relatively straight and uneventful, nothing really goes on, but as we get further south, the more twisty this road will become. Another tip for riding this road, keep your speed down. You have a lot of blind hills just like the one we just crested there, and could be anything from an Amish buggy to a farm vehicle, anything you could think of just on the other side of that crest that you can't see. Alright, I just had to get this on film, this truck in front of me. Back off or I'll dump. Well, here you go. You got this electronic sign that says, "Be aware, ride safe." We just crossed over State Route 78, and this is where it gets a little bit more twisty, if memory serves. Here's another point. You got a blind hill with a sign that says sharp right curve. Gotta be careful on these. I know I'm trying to sound like Negative Nancy here, but just trying to be educational on what to watch out for on this road if you've never been on it. It's a beautiful ride. You can have a lot of fun on it. Take your time. Third set of bikes I've seen today on this road already. And it's what is today? Today's a Friday, so it's not even the weekend. Ooh, see how that right side is all caved in? And as we get further south, it is unfortunately fairly common for pea gravel and things to be on the right side of the road. Oh, kitty! Well, it still has 9 lives left. Oh, that actually startled me. That is another thing I might suggest. If you're on this road cruising, let your fellow bikers pass if they catch you and they want to pass. Because legal passing zones, there aren't too many on this road. Well, here I am in Chester Hill, and that part of 555 is closed. So see if we can find a good, easy way around it here. Here we pretty much have it, the end of 555. Comes out here on US 50, State Route 7, State Route 32. I kind of hope you got something out of that video. If you would, please give me a big thumbs up for it. If you haven't already, please subscribe down below. And thanks again for watching, and we will see you in the next video.